Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best way to make overnight rice water for hair growth. Continue watching. This rice water hair rinse. You need rice, so I'll start by washing the rice to remove any dust or dirty. When I'm done washing the rice, I will sieve to remove the water. When I'm done washing the rice, I will set aside to drain out the excess water. Tone down the smell of rice water and also to add some essential nutrients. You can add orange peel or grape peel. Using grapefruit peels because it is a source of vitamin C and it has essential nutrient which works to cleanse the scalp. I'll add the washed rice into a jar. When I'm done adding the rice into the jar, I'll add enough water, add the grapefruit peels, then cover and allow to soak overnight. You can also soak it for more days depending on what you want. After about 24 hours, the rice water is ready. I will sieve to get the rice water. Rice water contains a lot of vitamins like vitamin B, C and E. It also contains amino acid, which will aid faster hair growth, repair damaged hair and straighten your hair roots. When I'm done sieving the water, I'll pour the rice water into a spray bottle for easy application. A teaspoon of castor seed oil. Adding this oil to the rice water will help to moisturize, hydrate your hair, keep your hair and scalp healthy. Please, you can check out my video on how to make castor seed oil. I'll be adding some drops of tea tree oil. This oil will help to improve blood flow, stimulate hair growth, balance your scalp pH level, and also stop itching scalp. When I'm done adding, I will shake well to mix. On a clean washed hair, spray this rice water spray on your hair, making sure that it touches all the strands of your hair. Then you can cover your hair and allow it to sit for about 30 minutes before rinsing out. This overnight rice water spray is so good for effective hair growth. It will also improve your hair texture, smoothing your hair, keep your hair strong and healthy, and also condition the hair. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.